Hello friends, let's in this video tutorial we are going to learn objects methods in JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. So in the previous video we are dealing with the objects. Now we are going to learn the JavaScript object methods, right? So in the function definition, right, this refers to the owner of the function. We are using the this keyword and we are going to get the values from this function. Let's check out why we are using this one. What is the current project, the current code that we are going to learn. Let's have a look on that. Suppose I'm going to just copy this my previous object, right? So this is my previous object. So let's reinitiate this. Okay, I'm uncommenting this one, right? This is done, right? And suppose I'm going to add a function that is called get um, age. Get age, you can make a function. Get birth, right? Get birth function with the function parenthesis, right? So here we are going to return 26, no, 1993, right? And enter. This comma is missing, so it will be done, right? So this is how we can re- create a function and add the value to it, right? Otherwise we need to create this function below and call this function like get birth, like Rajnikant dot get birth, then it will return the value, right? So this we can add in a way that function, whenever we are creating a function over here, then we can sup- um, log this all the values using the keyword. Here if I want the get birth value, so I'm going to write console dot log. See, just add Rajnikant dot birth. If I'm going to reload this section, function get birth, name get birth, it's not returning anything. So 1993. So this is the function. So this will return by this function variable, right? And suppose if I want to make it dynamic, right? Suppose I have mentioned here over year, and the year should be like 1993, correct? I'm just adding this one. So if I'm going to here, I'm going to write, suppose write Rajnikant dot year. It will work. It will return the same year, right? No issue. Suppose I want to change my name, this variable. I'm going to change this one, right? How many times I'm going to add Rajnikant 2, Rajnikant 2. In the here I'm also going to add Rajnikant 2, right? Three times I am using this one. Three times. So I'm going to redo this, right? So this property can be done using this keyword, this dot here, right? If I'm going to reload, I have just changed one variable, right? This keyword, this has the scope to this method, right? It's like this variable is the owner of that function, right? So this refers that whenever we call any this one, this dot first name, this dot last name, so it will return the same thing. Else if you are adding the way which I have added before, it's not the correct one, right? So if somehow your function name gonna be changed or variable name gonna be changed, in that case you are going to chances of errors going on to be more, right? You need to change every places. So it's better that scope should be, you should use this dot the key pair, and you can get that option accordingly, right? So this is the function that we can create in the objects and manipulate it accordingly, right? So this is the tutorial on the objects, JavaScript object methods. So you can use this via this keyword, And also we can use the new syntax, right? So we are going to add this one function. Let's use this one. This dot first name, this dot you can say calculate age. Calculate age, year, old. We can use job, and here we are going to add developer, right? So it's gonna be, and let's scroll down, and he has the driving license. This, he has the driving license. This has the this dot has driving license, a or no, right? So we are going to add up this one. This has driver license. That should be true, right? So let's return the whole object, and what we are going to return, just removing all this, print it. Object is full return, right? So what they are doing in the friends, we have the array calculate function, that's calc age, right? And let's call this calculate age. What is gonna be returning? So I'm going to add this one dot this function. I'm gonna reload this. Internal error, too much recursions. Too much recursions are there. So it may be he has this one. We are going to delete this object. Maybe this is creating the issue. Let's check. Late man is year old. Late. Let's do it one by one, right? Let me remove all this. Let's run this one. Correct. So after that, we can also add with no this. This is my name, right? I'm going to reload. This is my name, Rajnikant, right? And you can put dot. I am. Um, Here we are going to again add the curly braces with this one operator. This dot age, and we are going to add old, right? So I'm going to add this one. This is my name, Rajnikant. I'm 26 years old is pending, so I'm going to add years over here, right? So this is how we can use. I think previous one has some issues with that. Some of the variables are not declared, right? So this how we can use the functions and console that log and get the whatever the function is returning, right? In this method, we are going to get everything function calling in this object methods, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand what exactly we have learned in the video. If you have any issue, just write in a comment below. We will explain thoroughly on we can explain it the whole scenario on that, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.